Do you want a muffin recipe that you can actually feel good about eating for breakfast? My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making lemon poppy seed muffins. We start off with a gluten-free 1-to-1 flour blend, and then if you're dairy-free, you're in luck because we're actually using coconut oil in place of butter. And then these wouldn't be delicious muffins without a touch of sweetener, and for that, we're using honey. If you have any ingredient substitution questions, make sure you stay tuned for the end of this video where I teach you a few simple swaps that you can make for this healthy muffin recipe. Okay, if this all sounds good to you, come on in and let's get started. Lemon poppy seed muffins just came out of the oven and my whole house smells of fresh lemony goodness. We went ahead and glazed them up and now it's time for me to get to take a bite. Look at how fluffy they are. These look like those cute little lemon muffins you would get in the bakery. Time for me to take a big bite. These muffins are bursting with lemon flavor, and all those cute little poppy seeds in the middle make these the perfect spring muffin recipe for you to eat for breakfast, snack, or dessert. As promised, here are a few substitution ideas you can do if you don't have all of these ingredients on hand. The first one, gluten-free flour is not totally necessary if you don't have to be gluten-free. Feel free to use an all-purpose regular flour blend instead. Second, coconut oil was used in this recipe, but if you want to use butter instead, go ahead. Third, honey was used in this recipe, but you can also use maple syrup or agave nectar. And lastly, I used almond milk for this muffin recipe, but you can also use regular milk, soy milk, or cashew milk. If you liked what you saw here today, make sure you check out these carrot cake muffins over here. Or if you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon. It's making me want to do a happy muffin dance. Oh yeah.